Alam mo, love isn't just about flowers, sweet words, or perfect moments. Totoo naman, minsan we're selfish, impatient, at insecure. May mga araw na hindi tayo okay. There are times na mahirap tayong mahalin. Pero that's the point eh. Real love shows up kahit mahirap. Kung ang taong kasama mo ngayon hindi kayang tanggapin yung flaws mo, yung bad days mo, yung unfiltered version mo, then maybe hindi siya yung para sa'yo. You deserve the kind of love na hindi lang nandyan kapag madali, kundi yung lalaban para sa'yo kahit sa pinakamagulo mong araw. Love should grow with you, not just admire your highlight reel. Kaya don't shrink yourself just to be loved. The right one will handle your worst and still choose you every single time.